So let's say you want to add a gift triggered by a code. I will not call it a discount code because it's not gonna be a discount code, but it's kind of similar. Let's call it a gift code and not a gift card because it's gonna be confusing. So I will create a new promotion, and in this promotion, and I'll make it quick, and I will call it gift triggered by code 2. I want to create a new group. I'll put it active, and I want to create a new group, and this group will be called gift triggered by code. So I will create a link, search for it. So now in my campaign called gift with code, I have attached this promotion group. I could also pre-fill the cart with something else, like a bundle, and then I would like to be redirected to the cart page, for example, because this is most likely where I will show it. So I have a link. If you share this link or the long link with some people, some customers, then they will get a gift if they access via this link. But I would like to have the activation code. This is the activation code, so I'll just put it there. And what this activation code does is it allows visitors or customers to input it in a have a discount code widget feature that I'll show you next. And it will either add a product or a discount code to cart. So I'll go to the display savings and the have a discount. I'll copy this to clipboard, and this will do something like that. That when you click, you will have a box and people will be able to input a discount, or in our case it will be a gift code. So when the people put this activation code or this gift code into Shopify checkout, it will not work, but it will work when they input it inside this box that I will implement in the cart template. So I have the theme called debut, but the debut theme, for example, I can check subtotal. I think I already have and put it there. Okay, so I already have something like that. And I will call it, for example, have a gift code. And I might actually, instead of a link, I might prefer to have it look like a button. But let's check what are the classes for the button. Maybe the secondary button. Something like that. I will save and I will test it. I'll make sure I have my activation code. Let's say I had this to cart. Yeah, what is maybe buggy in my dev store is that I have multiple other promotions that are running, as you can see in the list here. So I might struggle a bit. So this is the button that I've just created here. And if I remove this, for example, it should then look like a link, something like that. So if I input the activation code, I get this product added to cart, and if I check out, I actually get this gift card. And if you remember, well, it's a bit slow because my network and computer are very slow. But if you remember, this is the product that I've selected in my triggered, in my promotion. I will find it. Yeah, so it's here. And this was added to cart in a pop-up, but it could also have been added to cart automatically. And this is why I have a collection called all. I'll just save it. So if I go there, put the activation code. So I get the free gift. Add it to cart. So it's basically doing the same, like automatically adding it or not, because both are showing a pop-up. But you can also disable the pop-up, not to show it at all. And you could also have the gift displayed in the cart. So that's pretty much how you do it. And of course, if you, instead of the activation code, if you don't like it, you can also use the actual link. The link being this, or the long link. So let's say I have a long link. So if I access the store with this, I should have this automatically added. And let's say instead of inputting a code here, you could also have a simple page with a button, and on this button, when you click, instead of add to cart, you could be a button called activate. I don't know, activate. Let's say you have something like that, and it looks like a button, or maybe a primary button, and you call it, I don't know, activate gift. And on click on that, you would simply have the link. Maybe because I'm stupid.